Hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days, I don't know what I want to do, or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Royalton Footwaters Hideaway.
Yep.
Diamond Club. We have a full-size mirror, so you can check out your outfit as you're walking through the door. If you turn, they have, she said the pillow was about to. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Sinks, and this is the bathroom. This is your shower. Alright. Nice little tub area. So we kinda got two jacuzzis. By the way, this room is the, what is it? Presidential, is it a presidential?
Mm-hmm.
It's the presidential with a jacuzzi tub out on the deck. Not the deck, the balcony.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if I sound tired, guys, that's just because I am tired. We just got off the beach. But here is a sitting area. We have a mini fridge. We have ice, water, tea/coffee maker. Let's show them the mini fridge. Nice and cold. Nice and cold. Cokes, waters, gingies, beers.
Snacks.
They have us some snacks right here. We have not touched those snacks just yet. It's a nice little TV area. By the way, we're in Trelawney.
Mm-hmm.
It is advertised as Montego Bay though. It's about 30 minutes out from Montego Bay. That is the outside, that is the balcony. We have used it last night. It was pretty cold. And this is the little floating we had used in addition to room 2203, by the way, if you guys want this exact room when you're booking. We're like right in the middle of everything.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
That's pretty much it.
This is pretty much it. And I don't know if you've seen the seating area over here.
Yeah, we put out
It's a king size bed. So yeah, this is the presidential suite with jacuzzi at the Royalton Blue Waters in Trelawney. Hideaway, so Hideaway means only adults. And we also got Diamond Club, another perk. So the rooms at Diamond Club are supposed to be a little more bigger. So yeah, you guys, this is our room tour.